Hi, this is Diana from Second Half Dreams. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a character style for your page headings. At this time, all of the pages in the YouTube video logbook use the Myriad Pro font. But what if I want to change the font to something else? Changing the font is pretty easy. One way of doing that is just by selecting the text, right-clicking, selecting font, and then picking one of the fonts from your list. As you can see, the font changed on this note page, but not on this one. So to change this one, I can perform the same steps, or I can set up a character style for my page headings. So to set up the page heading character style, I'm going to select the text for this page heading and then go to Type, Character Styles. Right now there aren't any character styles set up, so I'm going to set one up by clicking here on Create New Style. And then I'm going to double click on Character Style 1, which is the one I just created, and change the style name to Page Heading. And then I'm going to select Basic Character Formats. And right now the character style is set as Playlist Script Size 36. And I'm going to go ahead and keep that. So I'm going to just press OK. And then I'll close this out. Next, I'm going to go up here and connect this to the page heading character style by selecting the text, going up to Type Character Styles, and then selecting Page Heading. Right now you can't notice any change, but what happens when I change the character style for the page heading? So I'll just go to Type Character Styles, double click on it, and then I'll go to Basic Character Formats and I'll choose a different font. So let's just try Poor Richard, see what that looks like. Press OK. And now you can see that both page headings changed. So now I'm going to change the font in my other page headings. So I'll start with Channel Questions, and I'm going to select the text up here, change that to page heading. So now this font also changed. And now I'll go to the My Videos page and do the same. So now it's also this new font. So now anytime I want to change the font for my page heading, I just need to do it in here under Character Styles, Basic Character Formats, and let me just change it to something else really quick. Let's do Georgia. That's another font favorite of mine. So now I have Georgia Regular 36. So you can see that changed, and let me go back to Channel Questions. That changed, and Note Pages. That changed, and I think I want to make the font bold. So let me just double click on this and go to Basic Character Formats, and I'll change it from regular to bold. And so now you can see both sides are darker. So that's it for this character style video. I will be setting up character styles for my main body text and my page numbers in future videos.